Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you are here for the very first time, you are so welcome. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to light up your dark underarms and have a lighten underarms. Alright, for some reasons lots of people usually experience dark underarms, probably because of deodorants which they do change. I guess you can imagine that? Of course, because everyone doesn't want their underarms to get dark. So when you experience that, then you will need to use some natural ingredients, and one of them is what I am about to share with you today. If you want to know what the treatment is going to be, please to continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get into this video. The first ingredient we're going to be needing is rice powder. You can make rice powder at home by yourself. Take some of your rice and blend it into a powder form. Rice powder makes an excellent material to use a scrub. The fine particles help to remove dead skin cells. For this treatment, we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of blended rice, which is rice powder. And the next ingredient we're going to be needing is baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda is a great exfoliating agent to the skin because it helps remove dead skin cells, and it also balances the pH level of the skin. Using baking soda to scrub the dark underarms will help to remove the dead cells that are living the underarms area. It helps to also brighten up the dark underarms. For the bicarbonate of soda, we're going to be taking a half tablespoon, and that would go a long way. And the next ingredient is a tomato. Tomato juice is an excellent astringent. It helps to remove dead skin cells that are blocking the pores, leaving the skin beautiful again. It also contains vitamin C, which is known to brighten up the skin. It shrinks large open pores, and it's going to be perfect in lightening up the dark underarms. For a tomato, we are going to blending the tomato, and it's better you do in a circular motion or by using a blender so it can be completely smooth to give you a paste. You will need to add about 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste into the treatments. The last ingredient will coconut oil. Coconut oil is said to be expert oil in the much beauty products because it contains antibacterial and antifungal properties. And it penetrates better than any other oil. Coconut oil helps to remove dead skin cells. It nourishes the skin and moisturizes your skin. It removes age spots. For coconut oil, we are going to be needing a half tablespoon of the coconut oil. Then you will mix all the ingredients together. Alright, so treatments are ready. Kindly use your hand to rub the paste on your underarms. Now, I would prefer using a toothbrush to do it by scrubbing gently with the toothbrush. You have to be gentle while scrubbing your underarm because the skin under the hand is not strong. It is very soft. You can as well use your hand to scrub your underarm. After scrubbing your underarm for 5 minutes, then you will need to go and wash the underarm off. Alright, after washing the underarm, you will need to moisturize your underarm by using the coconut oil to moisturize. Gently rub the coconut oil on the underarm to keep the underarm from future darkening. So basically that's just a very simple yet effective way to lighten up your dark underarm. Alright, and this remedy is going to help so much in removing dead skin cells. You can equally use it on your dark knee or your dark elbow. Alright. And it's going to be very helpful. So if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching.